Here's how to overlay and merge image in Photoshop. So this is my main photo. Now I'll add more photos and we'll make those photos overlay here. So going to file and selecting place embedded and selecting my first overlay image. Here we can see the image add date. Now you can resize your image and then click on done. And you can also change the image position and then click on this blending option. Here you can select any of the blending option. In my case, I'm selecting here overlay. And you can also change overlay opacity and fill. Now again, going to file, place embedded and selecting my another image and resizing the image size and placing the image here, clicking on OK and clicking on blending option, selecting overlay. So that's how you can add multiple images as overlay. Now here we can see I have total 3 layers. Now to merge all of them, right click any of the layer and here just click on merge visible. And that's it. You have successfully merged your all overlays images. Now go ahead and just save your project.